Hello there, guys. We are going to be doing some more of those Jurassic World Cretaceous Captives eggs by Toy Monster. I have 5 eggs this time instead of 3. Remember, these take a while to open. Now, this is another part of me opening these eggs. The previous episode, we got the Pteranodon and 2 Velociraptor Echoes, which hopefully we don't get any duplicates, you guys. Now, I wish they would not make it this difficult to just peel the plastic off on the eggs. It's the texturing on the egg that really gets you. Alright. Open it upside down. Put the slime in. Now the one I really want is a Sinoceratops. It looks really nice in the images. Come on, get in there. I gotta glow in the dark one, you guys. I can tell. I can tell right now. This is a glow in the dark figure, but I got more slime to put in there. Because you can just tell if you get a glow in the dark figure. Now, take the back roads. Now, I don't know which one I got, but I know it's a glowing figure. Now, what's difficult is that I can't open the damn bag because my fingers are slippery. Whoopsie. Looks like I got the baryonyx, the glowing baryonyx. Yep, I got the baryonyx glow in the dark. It's pretty cool looking. That's pretty neat. This is my 4th egg ever opening, and I got the baryonyx. I'm sorry, we gotta have the window down because of the air conditioner doesn't work. So, 3 minutes. Here's the glowing baryonyx. I don't know why my voice is horrible today, you guys, but it looks pretty cool. So, yeah. There's the baryonyx. I'm gonna pause you guys till I get the bag out. Alright, you guys, I got the bag open about 5 minutes later. Well, I have the bag in my hand. It's a little heavier than usual, so let's see what we got. If the bag wasn't so fucking slippery, man. I might have another glow figure. Just saying. That's what it's looking like. Okay, I can just rip it here. Get it. I'm sorry, guys. These bags are just so secure, which is understandable. I got Bumpy! Cool! I got Bumpy! He's pretty cute. Alright, just put the tail in like this. Wow, you guys. This is a pretty gnarly figure. course, the tails don't like going in all the way, and the tail looks like it's a little warped. So, Bumpy looks really good, you guys. This is probably easily the best one we got. Alright, let's get the token out for the pog. There's the pog. Alright, you guys. There's Bumpy. We got 3 more. Pause, you guys, until I get to the bag. Alright, you guys, I had the bag open. Another glow figure. It's another Baryonyx, you guys. I can tell just by looking at it. Yep. A glow-in-the-dark Baryonyx. I got another one, you guys. Which, it's a rare one, so, I mean, I'm gonna put them together for you guys. That's pretty impressive how I got 2 glow-in-the-dark toys in one run. Let's grab another egg. Alright, I keep getting these at Walmart. I apologize till I get the bag in my hand. Alright, you guys. I got the Stegosaurus. Well, I lied. I did not get Stegosaurus, so I don't know what I'm saying, you guys. But let's open the bag. I have no clue what this is. I'm just gonna open it off camera. Oh, I got another Echo. Wow, I got another Echo, you guys. Another Echo. Let's put her together. Awfully hard to put together, you guys. That's one thing I have seen with these toys, is that they're really hard to put the pieces on. Here, I'm not even gonna try. I got the other one. I'm probably gonna repaint that, by the way. I'm just gonna pause you guys until I get the thing open. Oh my, something happened. Alright, you guys, I got the bag. I got all the slime off of it. I don't understand why all the slime. It pisses people off too. Ooh, I got another Bumpy. I'm definitely going to be giving this to my aunt because I think she'd like it. Well, I mean, I got 2 new ones, you guys. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put Bumpy together, and it looks like the tail is the same way on this, so I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like that, you guys. Here's Bumpy. So, that's my lot. So, I have like probably about 5, maybe 4 figures in all, you guys. I'm pretty impressed how I got 2 rare ones in one go. That's pretty neat. So, got another Echo. I got 2 of these, and that's it. So, alright, I'm gonna go. Peace.